Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check this out. This here is the Beebird Earsight Plus Earwax Removal Kit. This is amazing. This is a game changer for cleaning your ears. Gone are the days of using cotton swabs. We are advanced now. We have futuristic tools, and this is one of them. And a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do this review. But this one here is a total game changer because it comes with a ton of accessories. And it has a really bright, crystal clear image that projects onto your phone in real time. So it's a live image of inside your ear canal. And this one here, what I haven't seen before in any others, is that it gives you, and what I actually have on right now, is this robotic arm. We can see that. So while you're in your ear canal, you can go ahead and squeeze this, and this becomes like tweezers, and you can grab something out of your ear, whether it's a chunk of wax or something else in there. You can get that chunk out with this innovative like tweezer. Again, this is going to be rechargeable USB-C. You're going to see that bright light, and again, crystal clear. Now, if we don't want this robotic arm, we can turn it off. Now you're going to unscrew your tip. It's very important to unscrew. They don't slide off or on. So remember that. This part can come off, and now we're left with the ear cleaning camera. This is flexible too as well, which is really cool. That's the first. You can bend this to any ear, which is really nice. So that is flexible. You're not going to break it. And here's the best part, is the way they organized it all into this nice traveling case, or to keep it just organized in your bathroom, is awesome. So you can lift this lid up, and then you have this drawer that slides out. And check this out. Look at all this stuff in here. And again, this here is going to house everything. So I can put this back in. I can take out my other tip, the tips that are normally that come on it installed, and screw my tip back on, and that's it. That's your unit. And then this can go back into its little home. You keep everything clean, sanitized, and this goes right back in here. So we can just slide it right back in. And look at that. You're on your way. Everything nicely neat, in this case, organized. You're not losing your pieces. So this one's really cool. They also include 3 other pieces to do some at-home checkups. This here's going to be a tongue depressor. So you can put the camera on and check oral care. Or you can do ear care, right? Like if you're at the doctor with the tool they use. Or right up your nose with this one. So they're giving you extra stuff too to do at-home care with the camera to go in and do some diagnosis yourself before going into the doctor. But definitely really cool extra added bonus. So if you're looking for a really cool ear cleaning kit, definitely check this one out from Beebird.